Assalamu alaikum student. This is a exercise of your previous video, the adjective. Here you have to write all this exercise and definitions in your notebook. So copy correctly and neatly in your notebook. A word that describes a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. Example, I saw red flowers in the garden. So here I explain what is adjective and definitions is here. There are two types I explained you in the previous video. I hope you remembered that. What is attributively and predicatively. Your definitions are here. Go through these sentences so you remember that what is attributively. And your example is there. Here see. The next is adject. Here also the meaning of predicative definition is here. So copy this children, they don't ignore this because this will remind you when you forgot that what is attributively and predicatively, so you can open your book and go through it because you there is a sentences you have to write what is attributively and predicatively. So don't ignore whatever I am giving you, whatever I am giving, that is very important notes. You have to remember that. So please copy all this. Next, this also you have to copy. This is a definition about predicatively. Examples are here, so you remember that. Then your under the adjectives, what kinds are the adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. I explained you all that in the previous video. You have to copy all this also. So please don't ignore, copy this. It will take little time but it will definitely help you after. This is the more definitions about the adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. Examples are here, so write it properly in your notebook. After this there is an exercise. There's a you have to write down that also. This is 6 sentences I give you. So in that, pick out the adjectives and state their kind. Say whether the adjective is used attributively or predicately. So you have to pick out the words of objective, whether it is possessive adjective or predicatively. You have to, as I explained you in the previous video, so you know now you can easily make out which is one is predicatively or which is a adjective of quality, attributively and all. So first, the children lost their pen knife. So there is a possessive, it's a showing the position, the possessive adjective, that is predicatively. What a pleasant surprise. So here's exclamation mark, so you have to write the exclamatory adjective, that this is predicatively. His own shop caught fire at night. So own, emphasizing that which shop is own shop, so it's attributively. There were 6 girls in a row. The third girl was short in height. So six, yeah, number six, definite numerical shows the number. So it's a numerical adjective, attributively, that is. And third, it is also a number, definite number, numerical adjectives. And short, adjective of quality. The girl is a short, so is showing the quality of that girl, so it is in predicatively. Fifth, neither of the members got to participate in the show. So this is distributive numerical adjectives. Means there are numbers of members are, but we don't know the definite number, how many members were there. So we write here distributive numerical adjective, that is predicatively. Sixth, that dolphin is very gentle, demonstrative adjective, that is attributively. So here is the end of this exercise, children. So please copy correctly in your book. Don't forget all that whatever I have given you, that definitions with examples. Don't miss out even one page. It will definitely take time, but it will help you to recollect all the informations about this attributively and predicatively. So thank you very much.